Welcome to the second renovation update for Venture on Elden. I'm Rocky Peterson, Vice President of Communications here at Neighborhood Ventures, and I'm always so happy to show you the progress that's going on. I wish I was still up there, but I have to show you visually some of the amazing progress. Parking is still in great condition. We're so pleased that we didn't have to do that. Again, this property was so good because there was a lot that we didn't have to do. Instead, we get to focus on the things that we can just make more beautiful, more attractive to residents. The first being, of course, the interiors. We have some gorgeous gold hardware going in, new flooring, new paint, new cabinets, new lighting, of course, all the things that when residents walk in, they really feel like makes a huge difference. Now, we are doing something a little unusual in that we're doing light gray doors. And against the gold hardware, it's going to look so pretty, so elevated, and it's something that, as far as style goes, Flagstaff doesn't have a lot of, so we're excited to be the first. The paint is striking and fresh. People are already talking about it. The grounds are already so beautiful that we don't have to do a lot with landscaping, and we certainly don't want to over landscape or rip things out that already look good. When we're about done with the project, we'll be putting down new mulch that will basically highlight the green, the gorgeous foliage that's already there. AC units are going to be installed on the ground in between the two buildings, and we're going to make some really nice fencing. We're going to have private patios, so the air conditioning units will actually be tucked back so that they're not going to be able to be visually seen either from the street or from residents' private patios. And again, this is another amenity that's kind of in short supply for Flagstaff. It's beautiful weather there, but there are some hot days, and so any unit that has an air conditioner really is at a premium, which is what we want, and of course residents will love it. I hope you enjoyed the visuals, hope you enjoyed the video. I know that we all wish we could be up there right now. But as we turn these units, what's really nice is that there's actually 8 units that haven't been vacated. So we are still generating a little bit of cash flow, which helps us, it helps you, and it makes it so that we can stagger the renovations so that we make sure we do them exactly right. And because it's in Flagstaff, we want to make sure we give ourselves that flexibility. This has been another Neighborhood Ventures Renovation Update.